In this video, we'll walk you through a disassembly and reassembly for cleaning the Twister T2 trimmer. You won't need any tools for this process. Disconnect the power before working on any Twister trimmer machine. Start by removing the hopper. Loosen the easy release handle for the Bando tumbler V-belt. Remove the pin from the tumbler guide and move it out of the way. Lift up on the control box assembly to loosen and remove the tumbler belt. Unlatch and remove the top protective cover. Now pull out the lower protective shroud. Last but not least, very carefully slide out the tumbler. The T2 is an industrial strength machine and is entirely waterproof. Therefore, you can feel at ease cleaning everything with a pressure washer. Let's get it back together. Carefully slide the tumbler into position. Place the Bando tumbler V-belt over the tumbler wheel. Lift up on the control box assembly and fit the belt around the pulley. Let the control box back down and tighten the easy release handle. Move the tumbler guide into position and secure it with the pin. Slide in the lower protective shroud. Return the top cover into position and lock it down with the latches. Install the hopper, and your T2 is ready to go again.